bike check. Alright, I got the Rhode Cartel 2 purple frame. I got the Eastern Classic front hub because the stock one sucked and broke. And then I got the Rhode stock rim. My pegs, I don't know, I got them from a local bike shop and just put them on. So far, they're pretty good. I've got some Cult grips, orange. My fork is the Rhode Cartel 2. It doesn't bend, doesn't flex. My handlebars are lumberjacks, cut down half an inch because they're too big. Custom painted. Right, the stem is the stock Rhode. Nothing that cool about it. Thermalite pedals with some bolts in them. So it's grip here. Stock cranks Rhode, and then shadow half link blue chain, and I don't know, got this sprocket for free from one of my friends. I got my homemade custom military plastic hub guard. It works. Right, stock seat. It's got a sticker on it. Came with my frame.
Alright, is there anything special that you like your bike set up a certain way?
Tires have to be really high pressured for street riding.
What do you usually ride?
Street. Backyard mini ramp.
Yeah. Is there anything else you like kind of funky about your bike?
The chain's gotta be really loose. It's always nice.
Why do you like it?
You get the little clanking noise.